Alright, so let's go through this polynomial question, which is the part C. Okay, so we solved the equation yesterday, which is x equal to 2, 3, and negative 2, right? Then for the part C, we are asked to solve using suitable substitution of 12z cubed minus 4z squared minus 3z plus 1. Okay, so apparently, if you look at all the numbers, you realize one thing is that my 12 is here, my 12 is here, then my negative 4 is here, negative 4 is here, then after that negative 3, and last but not least 1 is right here and 1 is right here. Okay, so how do I solve? The only way is to use the original equation. You move all the you move everything beside the x cubed to the right hand side. So for example, I move already. Okay, then after that you want to sub x equal to 1 over z. So when I sub, right, I will get something like this. So 1 over z to the power of 3. Of course, the right hand side, 3, 1 over z squared plus 4, 1 over z, then minus 12. Then after that, I manipulate a bit. So the left hand side, I will get 1 z cubed equal to 3 over z squared plus 4 over z minus 12. Then you just cross this thing, this z cube to the right hand side. So when you do that, right, what happens is that you get 1 on the left hand side. Then after that, the right hand side will be 3z cubed over z squared plus 4z cubed over z. Then after that, minus 12z cubed. Another way you can do is, okay, so for example, you can just multiply by z cubed on the left, z cubed on the right. You'll get the same result. Okay, when you do that, right, you realize one thing is that my form sort of came out already. So you can see very similar, right? So, okay, left hand side is 1. Okay, right hand side, z cubed and z squared can cancel out, right? So this one cancel, left with 3z. Then after that, z, then this one become 2, 4z squared. Then of course the last one will be minus 12z cubed. Okay, then you move everything to the left hand side, which is 12z cubed minus 4z squared minus 3z plus 1. So you can see that this form come already. Okay, so the next step is to we know that we sub x equal to 1 over z. And of course, we want to use the x value, right, or the x answer to solve for z. So first thing, we know that 1 over z is equal to x. And of course, x is equal to 2, 3, and negative 2. How do I solve? So you just solve. So for example, z is equal to half, or 1/3, or negative half. Yeah, so that's how we solve. Okay. Yeah, so every time you encounter this question, always sub in 1 over z. But of course, to get the so-called part C equation, you have to move the 3 terms to the right hand side. Okay. Yeah, so that's how we solve.